6 months, $2,000 a month, rent, bills, groceries. And still, I saved $10,000. No tricks, no inheritance, no living in my parents' basement. Just discipline, sacrifice, and a plan that anyone can copy. Spoiler alert, it didn't involve skipping your morning coffee, though that $7 latte is looking at you sideways. What if I told you that the only thing between you and financial freedom isn't your paycheck? It's your mindset. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I used to save 5 figures on a modest income. Because if I can do it, you can too. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you how this one decision saved me from complete financial collapse. I was 24, working full-time, earning just enough to get by. But one night, I opened my bank app, saw $12 left, and realized something chilling. I'd been working for years and had absolutely nothing to show for it. No savings, no investments, no emergency fund, one flat tire, and I'd be in debt. That moment shook me. Not because I was broke, but because I felt powerless. I mean, I was one unexpected dentist visit away from selling my furniture on Craigslist, and trust me, no one's buying your IKEA nightstand for full price. That night, I made a decision. I wasn't going to survive anymore. I was going to build wealth on any income. And it all started with the one thing most people avoid. I tracked every dollar, not just what I spent, but why I spent it. Within a week, I discovered a shocking pattern. My money wasn't going to needs. It was being eaten alive by convenience and impulse. If you don't tell your money where to go, trust me, it'll disappear on its own. So I did something drastic. I created a system that felt like financial shock therapy. I cut my expenses to the bone. No subscriptions, no dining out, no online shopping spirals at 2 a.m. Every dollar had a job, and that job was to build my future. Yeah, I became that person bringing rice and beans to lunch every day. My coworkers laughed until they realized I wasn't laughing at my bank account. And the crazy part, the moment I stopped spending to impress others, I started impressing myself. Cutting costs only got me so far, so I monetized my time. Weeknights and weekends became my side hustle lab. Ideas I used, delivered for DoorDash on weekends, sold tech gadgets and clothes I didn't use, offered simple services on Fiverr, resumes, voiceovers, proofreading. By month 3, I had an extra $500 to $600 rolling in consistently. That money went straight into savings, automatically. I wasn't waiting for a raise to change my life. I gave myself one. I automated my savings. Every payday, $500 left my checking account before I could even see it. Out of sight, out of reach, growing silently. But then came the moment that tested everything. A curveball I didn't see coming. Month 5, my car broke down. $1,200 repair. Old me? I would have panicked, borrowed, spiraled, but this time I had options. I dipped into my emergency fund, not my savings goal. And that's when I realized saving isn't about hoarding money, it's about creating freedom. The freedom to breathe when life punches you in the gut. 6 months later, I logged into my account. $10,241.87. And I felt something I hadn't felt in years. Security, pride, peace. You don't need to make 6 figures to save 5. You just need a plan, a purpose, and the courage to get uncomfortable. If you're 18 to 30 and feeling stuck financially, let this video be your turning point. You've got time, energy, and potential on your side. Now don't stop here. If you want to take the next step and build lifelong financial skills, click the video on screen now. Master your money in your 20s. Inside, I break down the financial habits that separate the wealthy from the broke. This is your decade. Let's make it count.